Will AI replace musicians and designers? That's the big question every creative is asking right now. AI can already compose songs, generate album covers, and design full brand identities in minutes. But does that mean the human touch is disappearing? Or is something deeper happening? Let's find out how AI is transforming the worlds of music and design, and whether creativity still needs a human soul. AI can now create music that sounds stunningly real. Tools like Suno, Mubert, and Ava generate entire soundtracks in seconds, from jazz and lo-fi to cinematic scores. Record labels are even using AI to test melodies that will trend before a song is released. But here's the truth. AI doesn't feel rhythm or emotion. It analyzes patterns. It mimics the structure of songs we already love. That's why, even with perfect notes, something's often missing. In design, AI tools like Midjourney, Dalla, and Adobe Firefly can now create stunning visuals in seconds. Logos, posters, packaging, even complete websites can be generated from a few prompts. But while AI can replicate style, it struggles with meaning. Human designers understand why a color or a composition connects emotionally, not just how it looks. Great design isn't just pretty, it's purposeful, and that's something AI still can't truly replicate. The future of creativity isn't man versus machine. It's man with machine. Musicians use AI to explore new melodies and generate backing tracks. Designers use it to prototype faster or test creative directions instantly. AI takes care of the technical side, so humans can focus on vision, storytelling, and emotion. Think of it like a digital co-producer or creative assistant, not a replacement. So, will AI replace musicians and designers? No, it will redefine how they create. Because creativity isn't about how fast you can make something. It's about what you want people to feel. I'm Cynthia, and I believe the future of art belongs to those who combine human imagination with machine intelligence. Hit subscribe and join me as we explore the next frontier of creativity.